Farmers and construction workers put in a lot of effort, working 12 to 14 hours each day without taking breaks. They do this in tough and dusty conditions, all while keeping their health in mind.
उन लड़कों को काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम आई, यंग लड़के थे जिनको फेफड़ों की काफ़ी 1-2 साल के अंदर उनके शरीर बेकार हो गए.
They are now choosing tractors and construction machines with air-conditioned cabins to protect themselves from dust, boost productivity, and stay healthy. Because of this growing preference, all tractor and construction machine makers have added air-conditioned cabins to their products to meet the needs of their modern customers. Many OEMs also provide insulated cooler box inside air-conditioned cabins, but more progressive ones provided compressor-powered refrigerators. Parco, the automotive refrigerator customization specialists.